Namaskar, good evening to all. So, in our last video, I discussed about what is nationalism and why we need to form a nation state. So now, first of all, now come on the point. Our first topic, a picture which is made up a French artist named Frederic Serreux in 1848. 1848, this picture was made by a French artist. He was a French artist. The idea behind that picture, you have to be given that picture in your books. Now open your books and look at the picture and try to understand what the picture represents to you, what the message that picture show you and send to you. First of all, let's come on the point. In 1848, a French artist made a picture. The idea in that picture was very common, that all the nations, though we have like nearly 196 recognized nation, 193, 196, 206. So how these nation states form? What the idea behind that, the formation of that nation state? How people were aware about their rights and how when they understand we have need to form a nation state. So first of all, in this picture depicted that mainly in Europe, how the formation of the nation state and what was the need to form a nation state. So how they formed a democratic and a social republic nation. First of all, we can try to understand democratic word. What is the meaning of this democratic? Democracy is a form of government where people have right to choose their leaders. It's very common thing that India is now presently is a democratic nation. We can try to understand, and these words are like increase. If you know the meaning of these words, so these are helpful to understand the topic properly. So how they formed, according to Frederic Serreux, how these nations adopted a democratic and social republic nation. Social republic that means a head, or Frederic Serreux visualizing four print in this picture. So first, in the first visualization, he represents the people of Europe and America, those who formed a long line and marched towards the Statue of Liberty. And whenever they are very near from that Statue of Liberty, this Statue of Liberty, now presently it is located in America, but this Statue of Liberty is a present of France. Now whenever they cross near that Statue of Liberty, so they give their homage to the Statue of Liberty. Now recall about the French Revolution. Why this Statue of Liberty given by France to America in a present? So first of all, recall about the French Revolution, how they showed liberty in their during the French Revolution. They represents that female figure. They show liberty as in a female figure. So this liberty present a female figure. So Statue of Liberty represents two main things. First of all, in her one hand, she bears torch of enlightenment. That it means she showed the path to form a nation state. In one hand, she bear torch of enlightenment. In that torch of enlightenment, people of America, Europe, England, they move towards that path and form their nation state. On the other hand, she bears Charter of Rights of Man. In that means Charter of Rights of Man. Now presently we have so many rights. So that of rights are contained in that charter. So stereo utopian. Now next, if we talk about that, what want like the stereo depicted in that picture. So stereo utopian vision. In this picture, all the people belongs to the different nation. Look at that picture properly. You just imagine like so many peoples in that picture who followed each other, but each and every people are come from the different nation, are come from the different not nation but different entire regions. Everyone represents their area through their colors, through their flags, or through their costume. Everyone wear different of costumes, everyone like carrying different type of flags which represents their own region. So now those nations who already formed a nation state, who are very near or even they are crossed the Statue of Liberty, those who already formed their nation state, like India is now presently nation state, but now talk about that time. So during that time, Europe, there are like so many big empire exist there, like suppose for example Habsburg Empire, Ottoman Empire were there. So they ruled in like big or vast area of that region. There were no nation state, they are like ruled by a big empire. Now they start to follow each other. In this picture, people follow to each other, and those who are crossed that Statue of Liberty, so it means it means they were successful to form the nation state. Now those nations who already formed the nation state, they lead the march. Who lead the march? Those who already formed a nation state. United States and Switzerland. Now talk about the United States and Switzerland. They are already formed their nation state, and those who are near the Statue of Liberty, now they are very near to form a nation state. For example, who crossed the Statue of Liberty? United States and Switzerland crossed the Statue of Liberty. But who are very near, who are like near or very near the Statue of Liberty, that one is France. France is very near from the Statue of Liberty. Now they are very near to form a nation state. A nation state, for example. Now what they carrying? What they are carrying? How we identify them? They are carrying tricolor flag, which is represents the people of France. After France, Germany. Now presently we know a nation which called Germany, but during that time there were no Germany. There were like a big empire in Germany. So bearing black, red and gold flag. They wearing, what they carrying? They carrying black, red and gold flag. That one is the identification of Germans. So what is the exception? In that case, Germany, there is a very big exceptions. First of all, what German didn't exist as a united nation, but during that time German was not united nation. That was like part of small regions, small states. People are come from the different regions. They have their own culture, they have their own nature, they have their own costumes, they have their own languages. They are like so different of people merged in under one nation named Germany. But that was not nation, that was an empire. So first of all, flag showed liberals' hope of 1848. There was a like idea, liberals means free. Idea was also spread during 1848 that the idea was liberals, free. Everyone want to get freedom. So that like French flags show that ideas. During this time, Germany represents the people of Austria, two Sicilies, Lombardy, Poland, England, Ireland, Hungary and Russia. So they all are like people are come from different regions, but they known with the one empire. So in the next scene, so that one is the next. Now last scene we discuss about the nations. Now in the next scene we just talk about that from heaven. If we talk about in that picture, look at the picture. Look at now in heaven. Look at the topmost layer of the picture. So in that picture from the heaven, who gazed them? Who was that ideas? How people talk about their to form a nation state? What the need of the nation state? First of all, from the heaven, above the crest saints and angels gaze upon these scenes, and they are very happy or not happy. We have no idea about that, but they gaze that how people follow to each other, how they march, and to forward. The main reason behind that march to form a nation state. They want their own identity. They need to form a nation. Now we are the Indians, so it's our identity. Americans, they have their own identity. They have their own area. They belongs to that nations. They are the Americans. We are the Indians. We have our own area. We have different languages, but doesn't matter. We all are how we all are come together and to form a nation state like India. So now what the artist symbolized through that picture, what is the main idea behind that picture, is the idea of fraternity. Fraternity, it means brotherhood, that we all are similar to each other. So now here I want to finish this video. Thank you so much.